Greetings everyone. Welcome to Students Learning Center, Empowering Minds. We have completed 9 sessions in Science MCQs. Let's begin our 10th session. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, share it with your friends. Let's begin today's session. That is part 2 of sources of energy. The first question of today's session is, which is the ultimate source of energy? The options are water, sun, uranium, fossil fuels. The answer is sun. Sun is called as ultimate source because it is a renewable source of energy. The next question, a good fuel should possess. Answer, high ignition temperature, moderate ignition temperature, high calorific value, both high calorific value and moderate ignition temperature. Calorific value andre energy contained in the fuel is determined by measuring the heat produced by the complete combustion. Combustion andre ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, scientific word for burning na ನಾವು combustion ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Combustion means scientific word for burning. ಕ್ಯಾಲೋರಿಫಿಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂಥರನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಟ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಬಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ at which the substance starts combustion or burning. Let's see the answer. Both high calorific value and moderate ignition temperature. The next question. The variety of coal which has the highest carbon content. Options, anthracite, peat, bituminous or lignite. The answer is anthracite. It has highest carbon content. Least carbon content yadu? It is a lignite, having a least concentration of carbon. The next question. Unit of calorific value of a substance is. Options. Option A, kilocalories. Option B, joules. Option C, joule kg. Or option D, joule per kg. The answer is joule per kg. Option D. The next question. Biogas is formed in the. Options are presence of air only, presence of water only, absence of air only, presence of water and absence of air. The answer is option D, presence of water and absence of air. Biogas is the mixture of gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Andre ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು anaerobic. It mainly consists of methane and carbon dioxide. Methane CH4, carbon dioxide CO2. Next question. Solar energy can be directly converted to electrical energy by which of the following devices? Options are solar cooker, solar heater, solar cell and solar geyser. Is solar geyser and solar heater are both one and the same, but they are two different words. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತವೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ನ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಿನ್ಯೂವೇಬಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದು ಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೈಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಹೀಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೀಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಹೀಟರ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Which of the following is not an example of biomass energy source? The options are Wood, gobar gas, nuclear energy. Option D, coal. The answer is nuclear energy. The next question. Which of the following gases is the main constituent of natural gas? The options are methane, ethane, propane, and butane. The answer is yes, methane is the answer, CH4. Let's see the next question. Which element is used in solar cells? The options are carbon, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Definitely silicon because it is a semiconductor. The ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಥಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಈಸಿ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, ಈಸಿ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್. Atomic number 14. Let's see the answer, silicon. Yes, the last question is spent slurry or bio-waste after obtaining biogas is used as fuel ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ, manure, food for livestock, used again for generating biogas. The answer is manure ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ. So if you have any questions regarding our science MCQs, post it in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.